Man, sleep now. So you want to sleep like this? What about me? What are you doing under my leg? You're making biscuits. She continued. Just don't scratch me. Ouch. Brian, this is 4 a.m. I want to continue sleeping and go back to bed now. Is that where you want to sleep? Come here. Come here. Take care. Make your biscuits here and sleep there. I want to sleep, baby. I want to sleep. Let me sleep. See, you're sleepy. What's wrong with this hand? Are you injured? Why are you always raising it up? What's this? My baby. We are asleep now, Brownie. Please. Please sleep. What's wrong with this hand, Brownie? Did you fall? Please sleep now. Let me sleep too. This is 3 a.m. Brownie, everybody's sleeping. My baby. You two are sleepy. But you don't want to sleep. Man, sleep now. So you want to sleep like this? What about me? What about me? Am I not going to sleep? Yeah, I cannot touch you like this till daybreak. Oh. Brownie, sleep. You're missing me already. Oh, brownie, sleep. I want to sleep too.